Hello friends, this is Digital Karthik and welcome to my channel Digital Marketing Mind. So this video is the first video of our new category, or we can say new playlist on our channel. And this category or this playlist will be on products. Now you will ask which products. So these are the products in which the top most affiliate marketers in the world are using to get sales, to get the commissions, to get thousands of dollars of sales per hour and per week, no, per day, I would say. So they are earning a huge on this. So why I'm thinking to create this category, right? This will be actually a genuine question, right? So basically in our group, what I see is that a lot of people are working for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 5 month, 10 month. They are working on free traffic, but they are not getting sale. So that is like a very bad feeling to me, because you are working hard and if you are not getting sale, so that is really bad thing and very demotivated thing. So last 3 months I have been working on some point, or we can say something, and that is the what are the top most affiliate marketers are doing, how they are working, and how they are using these products, and which are these products. So this is the main question, because we don't know anything, we don't have knowledge about affiliate marketing. What we are doing now is very basic thing, we are doing now. It's a nothing, it's like zero work now. So there are a lot of things that you need to get in, you need to work on, and you can earn millions of dollars from this. So how you can do it and how we can go in a process and how we will do. So I will make sure that I will deliver. Now you will ask which affiliate marketers, which are the top affiliate marketers. So go to the Google and search Jono Armstrong, Brendan Mace, Karthik Ramani, Subhash Yadav, and there are a lot of people, Fabrina, Daud Islam. So these are the people that I have been chatting with them. I will doing email chatting. I mail them some questions, they reply me with the content. So I have getting a lot of knowledge on this, and I have been doing this for last 2 months. Yes, for last 2 months I have been working on this, and I'm getting a lot of feedbacks, a positive way of working with them. So I decided to share this knowledge to you guys, because you are like a family to us, because on group we are now 6k on a Digital 24 affiliate marketing and almost 11k on OK Ankit affiliate marketing group. So this is like a family to me, and so what I will do, I will share with you, right? And now this is a product. This product is very important because you will get a lot of things, and this will boost your sales like a hell. Yes, it will boost your sales, and that is very important, right? If you invest some amount like 1200, 1500, 2000, I give you all the details because I am using this product. Yes, I am using this product, and I will give all details to you, how we can work with it, how we can proceed, and what are the advantages you will get in, because it's a one-way investment and you will get sales, you will get the traffic freely. It's a free traffic. You have to just create a campaigns. You have to just create a campaigns and work on. No any hectic, no any tension, no any pressure, no. Just buy it, just create account, just create the campaigns and just work it. That's it. So I will give all the details and all the advantages and how you can buy from it. So I will give all the details. So please watch full video. Skip the video because you will lose the information, right? So just stay with me for this whole video and just take action on from this video, because this will change your life. Yes. So as I said that in this video I will give the total honest review on this product. I will give all the detail about the product, how you can buy and how you can get the access and how you can work, how you will start the process. I will give all the details. So this video will get long because I don't want to give half information. All right, I will give full detailed information. So watch full video and it will benefit you a lot, trust me. So again, one thing that I have to tell you is that this product will be launched on 26th Feb 2021. Yes, on 26th the product will be launched, and I got an access of the product from the vendor, from the top affiliate marketers, because I am with them for 2 months and they have given this link to me. So I will show the dashboard of the product. I will give all the tabs and I will show you all the details. As I said, I will give the I will show the tabs to you. I will show the lot of free trainings they are giving. Again, they are giving a lot of things that when you will see, you will like, in this only 2k 2000 in INR and $27 in USD dollar, right? So this is like a jackpot. So you should buy and you should start your affiliate marketing journey. Building a list of potential buyer is very important, and in any business, right, email marketing is very important, because emails, when you take emails, then you can earn like a bunch of dollars anyhow, because when we send a product to their specific email, and if they buy from there, then you will get a commission from that sale, right? So undoubtedly the most difficult one to do. So it's very difficult to do, right? So business spend thousands of dollars, countless hours, and use many other resources to drive traffics and generate leads. So giving away guides, reports, cheat sheets, handouts, toolkits, resources list, even funny videos and video trainings in return for an email address. So you give all this stuff, then you get emails. But even the highest converting lead magnet don't deliver more than 1 to 2% conversions. See, and so that means if you want to collect just 100 emails, you are going to have to reach and give away your lead magnets to 10,000 people. And the average lead conversion rate, that is people who will end up buying something from you, is 2.5% only 2.5%. So effectively you need to reach out to 10,000 people to make 2 sales, only 2 sales. So now what if you can push both these conversion rates to 100%? So what you can do, right? So I mean, capture every single person's email address and then convert each one of them into paying customer. So not just that, what if you can start a never ending avalanche of sales and commissions and finally break free from the vicious cycle of generating leads and pushing sales to make a profit? How you feel with this? So what if there are systems that helps you and build a hyper responsive list and monetize it instantly? A system that runs completely on autopilot and can potentially generate a solid 5-figure income for you on every single month. I'm not kidding. You are going to get access to full-blown system that opens door to enormous buyer traffic, unlimited sales, and unprecedented profits instantly for a small one-time fee. So let me introduce the product. The name of the product is Ultimate Traffic Boost. Yes, the name is Ultimate Traffic Boost, and the first ever app that automatically builds a list for you by using a free, genuine, real traffic and as a lead magnet. So here how it works is create a campaign and to give real traffic in exchange for email address. So what we do is that we create a campaign and we give free real traffic to the buyers, and they will give their email address, and that email address is very, very important, right? So instantly begin selling ready to promote products and traffic packages built inside the system. So you can then sit back and watch your bank account potential swells with the profits and commission. That is very important. That's what we want. The aim is to generate income, right, online. So Ultimate Traffic Boost actually have a built-in referral system. That is very important. Yes, simply pick any one of the, we can say, a profit hit pages and add your ID and spread the word. So get 50% commission each time you referral gets access to anything on our platforms. That is very important. So the main thing is no need to do. What you no need to do is that spend countless hours to research a niche and come with the product or service ideas. So you don't need to invest thousands of dollars to create your own product that is sellable. You don't need to pump in more money to create a buzz about the product. But once you get access to Ultimate Traffic Boost, you will see exactly why so many of our members already begin profiting. We have everything we need ready: squeeze pages, email sequences, tags, tutorials, creatives, etc., and everything. So there are a lot of things that I want to say. So get access to the Ultimate Traffic Boost to take advantages of special launch price. So when you buy before the launch, you will get a proper discount, and if you buy after the launch, okay, there will be some price hike, but that is also profitable to you in your business. So it's on you. If you buy now, then that is good for you. Then start job working with affiliate marketing in this field. So that is the main thing. This is 30 days money back guarantee they are giving. So you take for $2,000 or $27, you work for 30 days. If you are not getting sale, then just cancel it. I would say, and I will give you 1,000% guarantee that you will get a sale with this. So 30 days guarantee they are giving, right? So they will give the refund, 100% refund, not even 10% refund or 50% refund. They are giving 100% refund. What else you want? You are playing with a safe hand, no issue with this. So start with this product now. So now what I will do is that we will go to the dashboard and I will explain the dashboard to you. Means you will get a proper idea of the dashboard about the product. Okay, so let's start with this. Hello everyone. So this is the a sales page of the product. So actually I want to share all the things related to the product, so I'm showing this products uh, page. So ultimately this is the ultimate traffic boost, already delivered over 4 lakh and real buy traffics. So it's a smart app automatically builds a list for you by using a real buy traffic. So you can see this page. So I will give link in the description, so you can click on the link and you can read all the content, right? So what you will get is that sell your leads, high converting traffic, sell DFI lead campaigns, DFI funnels, offer best selling products and DFI bonuses, for instance 50% commissions, send the real buyer traffic to your own affiliate offers. So this is a big thing. Send real buyer traffic to your own affiliate offers and get sales. Unlock the built-in referral system to start a new ending loop of profits. No pandemic can stop you by be a part of recession-free business. So in control of your own destiny. You don't need to be an expert, right? You don't need to be an expert. It's really simple. Special limited offer, and it will also give bonuses when you buy now. So there are a lot of things that you need to read. Again, included as a bonus of 500 visitor traffic campaign to purchase as a solo ad worth $247. So this is a real traffic just like could buy from any solo buyer. Purchase today and you have 500 visitors added to a traffic account that you can send wherever you wish. So means you can send this traffic to your own affiliate links. So this will get your sales. So these numbers will use spellbound. So there are a lot of things that you need to understand, because I'm again and again I'm saying the same thing because this is very important product for you. So I will give link for this page in the description. So click on that link and get on this page and read all this content. And here, so he's my friend Paul Okifi. So actually I contacted Paul Okifi for the product. So there are a lot of things that you read. So you can read here. So I will not read all the things because the video will get longer and longer. So you can get the details here. It's only matter of $27. See, in Indian currency, if you put $25, sorry, 1,953 rupees only, means almost 2K, matlab 2000, right? So now I will show you the dashboard of the product. Okay, I have logged in into the dashboard of the Ultimate Traffic Boost. You can say ultimatetrafficboost.com/dashboard. So here is the webinar you can get. This is a Facebook group you can join of the affiliate marketing group. And here is a small video that you can watch later when you will buy. So they have given all the important points, the step one, step two, step three, what you have to do. Okay. So this is the links, that is referral links that you can select your pages. Visitor leads are 25, active campus are 0, generate leads are 0. So it's a just a dashboard of the products. So these are the traffic guru, traffic ninja, traffic starter, list builder, cash magnet, bonus builder. So you will get if you unlock this. These are the traffic packages, right? You can take from here. You can unlock one by one to proceed further. So here is the tab that is add campaign. So you can fill the details here, that the campaign name, then start date and end date, and how much visitors you want, the visits, then these are the pages, right? Just then we have to do create option, we have to start, then it will take some time to get approval from the product owners. Then they have also attached an auto responder. So you have to see for every step they have given a small video, so you can see that video and you can do. So it's very easy. Okay. So we have to add the API keys here to get your account connected with the specific what we can say software. So these are the small videos that you have to see first of all, then you will better understand. So these are the extra training, see the extra training tab. So these are the email marketing training they are giving affiliate marketing which is uncovered topics. They are giving traffic generation tips, then traffic generation follow-up, Quora, list building tips, and getting started traffic generation. So these are the actually courses, the training they are giving. If I click on email marketing, then it will give a bunch of videos, so you can see how introduction to email marketing, who to make it, find the right platform, deciding on the incentive, creative incentives, broadcast, optimize your list, optimize your opt-in, list segmentation, conclusion. So these are a lot of things they are giving in extra training, and this is worth of thousands of dollars, not even $27. They are taking only $27 for this. It's of thousands of dollars. If you're very matlab you are new in affiliate marketing, then just click in this training and you can get a dozens of videos. See, check out how to use the traffic that is already there, check out the competitors, the money is in list, the same deadly listings, ask for better deals. So there are a lot of things you can see. Again, there is tab affiliate marketing uncovered, so you can get this details, picking a niche from basics to advanced. They have explained all, so they have given all the traffic source, all the free earnings from this sales, from this traffic. So you can get traffic from a direct traffic, traffic source from direct traffic, traffic source SEO, traffic generation social media, traffic generation forums from question and answers, traffic from blog and all. They are given all the videos for this, so you can take from here and you can learn from this. And it's the tools, so they are also given a lot of tools. There are also some paid tools that you have to pay for this, but there are also free tools, and we will work on free tools only. So these are the get response, active campaign, WordPress 317 redirect. So this is also most important plugin that you should have on your site, or you are working on affiliates. So these are the image site, this is a post tag, again wonderful things, right? So these are the things that you should take this course, because this will help you a lot. So this is only a small dashboard. If you buy, you will get a lot of things inside it, because if you see this video and then all the content you will get rightly. So the link I will give in the description, you can click on that link and go to the sales page, and you can read yourself. And this is 30 days back guaranteed. So they will refund 100%. So no need to worry. Work for 30 days. If you are not getting sale, then just cancel it, then request for a refund. That I want to say you, because don't take like you don't have money, right? 2000, I think, yes, there are a lot of people on web, they're very poor, I know that, I know. But it's a, like a safe investment. If you don't like, then you can cancel it anytime. Okay, so this was the first video of the product ultimate traffic boost. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, please like, please comment, and show your love to our channel, show love to me, as we are all family and we will work together. We will try to make money online. Please put on the notification of the channel, so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and thank you so much guys, thank you so much.